Betconix P2P Trading Bot is a new functional service. It is a modern platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies with support of more than 100 cryptocurrencies worldwide. In order to start using the platform, you need to follow a simple instruction. Install the Telegram mobile app on your smartphone, tablet, or use the computer version of the app. Open the Betconix Trading Bot and log into your account. You will then be able to access thousands of P2P offers within the platform without leaving your messenger. Stay up to date with the latest news, chat with friends and colleagues, and make trades on the spot, all within the same app. Betconix Trading Bot allows you to quickly and easily trade cryptocurrencies on Betconix directly via Telegram. How to buy or sell cryptocurrency with the Betconix Trading Bot. Use this link to launch the bot. Choose your language. Choose your currency. To buy or sell cryptocurrency, click Trade, then click Buy, Sell, or create your own offer. To sell cryptocurrencies, go to your wallet and select Deposit. After that, you can choose cryptocurrency and deposit your wallet. After selecting the payment category, you can choose the payment method. More than 500 payment methods are available. After choosing an offer, you will see information about the trader and details of the offer. We have also created a functionality for you, which will show you whether the trader is online or offline. This will give you the opportunity to make transactions instantly. Enter the amount to buy or sell. You can use Betconix Trading Bot just like you do with the Betconix website or app. You get the details from the seller, make the payment, mark the transaction as paid, and the seller transfers the cryptocurrency to your wallet. How to manage your offers with the Betconix Trading Bot. Click the Trade button. Click My Offers. Here you can view buy and sell offers, activate and deactivate offers, delete and create offers, modify offer price. A trader can create multiple offers to buy and sell cryptocurrency. And in conclusion, I'd like to say that Betconix P2P platform every Friday is holding tournaments on the P2P platform for professional traders and beginners. The prizes are from $10,000 to $25,000.